Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to activate HBO Max on your Apple TV. Follow along carefully, and you'll be ready to stream your favorite HBO shows and movies in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Apple TV. Make sure your Apple TV is powered on and connected to a stable internet connection. Use your Apple TV remote to navigate through the setup. Step 2. Go to the App Store. From the home screen, scroll and select the App Store icon. This is where you can download new apps, including HBO Max. Step 3. Search for HBO Max. In the App Store, use the search feature at the top right corner and type HBO Max. When it appears in the search results, select it. Step 4. Download and install the app. Click on Get or Download to install HBO Max on your Apple TV. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete. Step 5. Open the HBO Max app. Once the app is installed, open it from your home screen. You'll see the HBO Max welcome screen with options to sign in, subscribe, or browse. Step 6. Choose Sign In. Select Sign In. You'll be given two options: sign in directly on your Apple TV or activate using a code through another device. Step 7. Activate on another device. Recommended. If you choose the activation method, you'll see an activation code on your TV screen. On your smartphone or computer, go to hbomax.com/TV sign-in. Enter the code displayed on your TV and sign in with your HBO Max or TV provider account credentials. Step 8. Start watching HBO Max. Once you're signed in, your Apple TV will refresh automatically. You'll now have full access to all HBO Max content, movies, series, and exclusive shows. That's it! You've successfully activated HBO Max on your Apple TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and professional tech tutorials.